Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 6th, 2012. Here I give a wrap-up of the commodities complex for the day ahead, even as it closed yesterday on Tuesday, June 5th, 2012. Two events, or rather three events unfolded yesterday and going to unfold today and tomorrow. The EU Finance Ministers Summit concluded yesterday, where they have pledged support to bail the Eurozone out of the crisis, and markets are pretty optimistic some positive outcome would come out of that meet. Today is the ECB meet, that is the Europe Bank meet, wherein some stocks are expected to be announced and the markets are buoyed, which could recover the euro and weaken the US dollar a little bit. The third event likely to unfold is the FOMC meet, which is coming up tomorrow. The markets are again optimistic of some kind of measures that could be taken by the Fed in the US. Even if measures are not taken, some commentary could be made out or is expected by the markets, which could shore up the economy after the poor data that came out last Friday on the employment front. Gold is now trading at $1625, which is the pivot now. If it sustains above $1625, $1626, it could target up to $1632 and $1640. The support has not been broken for the last couple of days of $1610 to $1600, so it is pretty positive. MCX Gold expected to test resistances at 3200, 3300. Current support is now at 29,900 levels. Silver is now trading at $28.80. It is closer to the limit that we have been talking about for the last couple of days of $29, which is a sharp resistance. A break and close about $29 could see further bullish upside up to $30, $31, $31.5. Positional support is now seen at $27.3. In the MCX exchange, silver is expected to open closer to the resistance of 54,800 to 55,000, and support at 54,000 is very strong now. A break and close above 55,000 could see further rise up to 56 to 57,000 in the coming days. Of course, all this depends on the ECB meet today and the Fed outcome tomorrow. Crude is now trading at $84.80, closer to the resistance of around 47.15 to 47.30. 47.40 acts as a strong resistance for now, and support is seen at 46.50. Crude in the MCX is expected to open higher at around the 47.10 to 47.15 mark during the course of the day. And the market's inventory, a lower pile up in inventory during the week, data released to be tomorrow. Base metals are opening sharply higher. Copper is open higher, up above over 1%. Expected to open on the MCX at around the 409 to 410 mark. Resistance is at 412.60 to 413, and support will be again at 405 to 406 zone. Nickel could open higher. Resistance is seen at 904 levels and support at 870 levels. If copper rises at the open, it could support a rise in zinc, lead and aluminum also. Natural gas is expected to trade in the range of 140 to 130 levels for the time being. Outcome of the natural gas inventories on Thursday is expected to decide the next move of natural gas. Watch out for the INR. INR closed at 55.65. Any strength or weakness could decide the next movement, especially in bullions. But overall, buy side is recommended and markets are expected to open higher today. Wait for fresh entry and updates on our website at www.akshayashiv.com. Thank you.